Yes, sir. It's your boy B Hayes back with another one, guys. So let's go ahead and jump right in it because next week is going to be a choppy week for the overall market. Of course, that's what we already been seeing, but it's only going to get crazier. Right here before the end, that's when it's going to be the worst because the worst you haven't seen it yet. You haven't seen the end yet. So that's why I say, guys, it's going to get even more choppier, even more crazier, even more, mind blowing things is going to happen right near the end before the market goes into one big consolidation period. But prior to that, you're going to see a crazy, crazy swings to the upside, just go right back down, back up, back down, and then all of a sudden it might take off for a little bit and have one more crazy downturn before reversing and going into an actual bull market, guys. And that's exactly, it sound wild, it sound crazy, but that's exactly what you need to prepare for. That's why I told you guys, one of the best positions is a cash position. Sitting on the sidelines, acting like a sniper. You just waiting on the best targets. You not trying to hit every single one. You waiting for the best setups, the best odds. You waiting for the best ones to be in your favor because they checking off that box, that box, that box, that box. The volumes there, the catalyst there, the strategies there, whether it's a dip buy breakout, what the first green day, whatever it is, everything just, you waiting on the quality setups, guys, and not just, going for this, going for that, losing money here, losing money there. Be more smart and meticulous, guys. Like I told you, whatever you make or lose at the beginning, isn't going to matter in the grand scheme of things. That's why I can't stress enough, aim small, miss small, and, be meticulous with the way you move around these markets because it can make or break you, make or break you. So let's go ahead and take a look at it, guys, and share my opinion on what's about to happen next week and what to look forward to. So as we know, guys, we know we prepared for the market to go even further from where it currently stands at. Let's be very clear on that. But like I say, in the mean between time, it's opportunity that's going to be created in the mix of this, meaning companies is going to run up 20, 30, maybe even 40% in a single day. In the past month, you're going to look back, they'll be up over 200, 300%. Just to go right back down, guys, this is going to happen. We already called the first one. I told you it could happen several times within this bearish market. So if we take a look here, guys, we know the market has had its worst, Dow had its worst month since March of 2020. So things have gotten rough, real ugly, real quick. So let's go ahead and take a look at it because things is starting to get a little positive look. As we know, this should have happened on last week, but the feds have the world in the palm of their hands right now. Like I told you guys in the previous videos, they created all this and now they're trying to come with the solution. So let's go ahead and take a look. So stock futures turned slightly positive after Dow S&P 500 capped worst month since March 2020. Stock futures rose slightly in overnight trading Sunday after Wall Street wrapped up another negative quarter, and both the S&P 500 and Dow Jones finished their worst month since March 2020. So the futures tied the Dow Jones gains 100 points, while the S&P 500 added 0.2%. The Nasdaq 100 futures remain flat. So as we know, guys, this is just a little piece of homework. Like I told you guys, all these market corresponds with one another. So if one of them does well, it could also be a reflection of the others. So if the futures overnight slightly in a positive, that could be a positive indication for the overall market for us going into tomorrow. Not saying that's going to necessarily guarantee or mean we should see some positive action, but it's a piece of that homework giving us a slight indication on what could possibly happen. Also with the crypto market, if you see Bitcoin trending up on a Sunday going to 20,000, 21, 22,000, that could give a slight indication that the overall market should also respond in sync with one another. So as we know, guys, that basically give us a small indicator that the market could possibly do what I'm expecting it to do anyway, guys, which is have another spike, crazy run within all this madness, guys, where they're creating crazy opportunity for people to make hundreds of percentage, thousands of percentage if you trade in options during this period, guys, if you catch it and time it correctly. So let's go ahead and take a look at it because as we know, we will be calling out bangers and VIP. You have to know how to adapt. And right now, during this, bearish market, this crazy, a lot of uncertainty, this is a time to where you sit back, relax, chill. You have that cash position. You sitting back, letting the market do what it do because loans, people, that like to go long, that don't really short the market, that like to be safe, meticulous, they usually sit back on the sideline, just wait, let all this die down, and then they come out whenever the best opportunity presents itself. Like I come out whenever that bullish market goes into effect within the bearish market, but that's only for a short period of time. You in and you out, and then you sit and you wait for another one to come. You get in, you get out, and then once the market actually consolidate, continue to its downtrend, bottom out, and actually starts to reverse, then the fun come out again. Now you out again. Basically, you in hibernation. If you're alone right now, you should be. That's the correct way. If you've been, analyzing the market, knowing how the market, react during these time periods, you will be on the sidelines. But anyways, you'll understand as you continue to do your thing. But like I say, guys, during this time is definitely the time. If you got the older type of investing style to be loading up on quality companies, you definitely want to be nibbling and averaging your way in, because prices is, Black Friday sales for real. So, and they definitely can get better. So like I say, don't just try to barge all in at one time. Always nibble your way in, dollar cost averaging. So you already know what to do, guys. Add your boy on Instagram at the B Hayes Show. Get in VIP. I love y'all. We out, and God bless you.